Shooby-doo, shoop, shoop-be-doo. All right, it's winter time. You need a meal that sticks to your bones, tastes super, super yum, and keeps you full for a long period of time. I got one for you. All right, now this is what you may not think. Oatmeal is the base in this bowl, and this has frozen broccoli and then brown ground turkey on it. Now, most people don't think about oatmeal as being an agent or a food, rather, that you would use for anything other than breakfast. But here's the cool thing. Here's like the little foodie in me coming out to help you with your nutritional goals. Both poultry and oatmeal, they're what I consider to be neutral foods, meaning you can flavor them to either be sweet or savory. So, when you're short on time or you're traveling a lot or you're like, I don't know, going to school or you're working a bazillion hours, like you don't always have time to make a lot of stuff. So you need food that you can prep really fast, you can take it on the go with you, and this is totally it. So this bowl right here, we've got old-fashioned rolled oats on the bottom. Again, it's brown ground turkey, and then that's literally frozen broccoli. Here's the cool thing. While your oatmeal is cooking in the microwave, all right, you're just gonna you can brown your ground turkey ahead of time or brown it at the time. And when that oatmeal comes out, it's so hot, you just dump the frozen broccoli in there and then the turkey, and you add whatever seasonings that you want. For me, it's still morning time. I like to put a little bit of sweetness in my stuff, so I add some stevia in there. But you can either, take this fulmani, put some salsa in there, and you've got kind of like a burrito bowl, if you would, but you're using the stuff that you have, and it's super simple. It's totally cost effective, keeps you well within like your nutritional goals, and it keeps you feeling awesome. Take that and run with it, y'all. Have a good day.